Hey, welcome to Shalom Auto and Body in Stafford, Texas. Today we got 2026 Tesla Model Y. It's brand new. It's got the premium package, all the bells and whistles. Doing a full detail, wash, polish, and also finally finish it off a brand new ceramic coating across the entire vehicle. Let's get it. Now that we got the car washed, we're now going to put iron remover on the vehicle. It is now pulled into the garage bay, so it's in a cool environment, so that when we put this on, it doesn't just bake into the clear. We'll wait for about 1 to 5 minutes, and then we'll rinse it all off and go on to the next step. We've just about used the entire bottle here for the vehicle. Now we wait about 5 minutes, give or take, and we'll rinse it off. So we just got the iron remover completely washed off. Next up, we have a clay mitt from Adam Polishes and a detail spray as well. We're going to go ahead and clay the entire vehicle. Any small imperfection to be inside the paint, kind of smooth it out before the final polish, and then we'll do the ceramic coating right after that. Let's get it. We've just finished clay barring the vehicle. I have here a Griot's Garage fast correcting cream, and we're going to use a medium cut. These are around speed 4, give or take. We got a Tesla, so the clear coat is pretty soft, so you got to be careful not to burn it. After this medium cut, we'll be using a final polish as well, around speed setting 2.5, give or take. And after that, we'll get ceramic coated and we'll wrap it up. So before we start polishing, we're going ahead and mask off all the sensitive areas, like the camera area, the area with the trims. We use 3M masking tape to do that. You just slowly work our way around the vehicle, cover up all the trim, anything that if a polish gets on, if it may somehow damage. I was going to get that taped up so that we don't have any headaches down the road. Okay, day 2 of getting this completed. Second step we have here is a machine polish by 3M. Get a fine polish after the compounding has been done. Let's get it. It's fairly hard to tell on camera, but
The fender has not had the final polish done on it. It's a little lighter color. If you look at the hood over here, a little bit deeper red, as you can see. Same with the bumper as well. We also just finished polishing the bumper with the final pass. So, fender, once again, just has a compound done, and then you have the hood and bumper with the final polish completed.